Guys, welcome back to my channel. And I am out today, guys, because currently I am looking for the new phone because I want to upgrade my old phone because it's very old now, and that phone is giving a lot of trouble because it's getting very slow. So I have to upgrade my phone to the new phone, and I am planning to buy a Samsung S23 phone. Let's see how it go. So I am currently inside the T-Mobile store to upgrade one of my phone because the old phone now giving a lot of trouble, so I have to upgrade with the good phone like a S23. Let's see if I am able to do it today. So as we finally bought this new Galaxy S23, and we currently doing a data transfer from old phone to new phone. So guys, finally the data transfer is almost done now on the new phone, and this is the S23 we already opened. Finally I just bought the new phone, and this is the phone I bought. It's a Galaxy S23. It's the latest model from the Samsung, and it's from the T-Mobile, and I think it's the courier locked. And this is the specification, guys. This is I think a 128 GB, latest and greatest. Nothing to worry about for next 3 to 4 years. So that's why I bought this one, guys. And I really used to use with the Samsung operating system, so I really like the operating system of the Samsung. That's the best, I think, in a business. That's why I'm go with this phone also. And this is the phone, guys. Just look at the design and everything. It's look like quite like a Apple. The design, I feel like it's kind of and feeling like an Apple. Not bad. So it support the 3 cameras, and this is the base model, guys, by the way. So this has a 3 camera. I think it should be a micro, wide, and the regular camera. Let's see how's the camera, guys. Screen looks amazing, guys. Nothing to complain. Everything's fine. Apps running very fast and smooth. Let's see the camera, guys. Okay, guys, I feel like the camera is not bad either. Currently in the full mode. I really like the camera also. Let me switch the okay, so view for the front also good. So everything's good for now, guys. I don't want to go in detail right now. I'm going to go home and let you more about this phone, guys. Hope you guys like the so far so good. So guys, let's see at home. Okay, guys, so finally I am back at the home, and as you already know that I bought this Galaxy S23 because my old phone is almost not died, but it's very slow. So that's why I bought the new phone, and I already have the case on it to protect, so it's not gonna break. So guys, this is a T-Mobile specific S23, so I go with them, and I already customer with them here in USA, so that's why I bought from them. And because they also have a very good promotion, I am getting this for almost 50% less, because my old phone I did the trade-in, so that's why I'm getting like a 50% discount on it. So it's a good deal for me, and I am planning to do upgrade for a long time, but I am waiting for this deal, something like that. So packaging is very like a simple. They don't give you anything nowadays, like they don't give anything, like not even a charger. They just give you a, like, I think a cable inside. Let me check. I'm not sure on that. I don't know, so I need to check. Let me see this box. So I think they have the SIM ejection tool, and they might give a cable. Guys, this is what I find inside this box. And so they give you a SIM ejection tool and the guide. Then I don't know. So they give you a USB type C cable, so that's good. Otherwise now they are not giving the new charger, so what to say, no word, it's stupid. So this is the phone, guys. I already did the case on it, so to protect, and as you can see the screen quality is beautiful for me. It's very fast, responsive, very fast, guys. And guys, I wanted to let you know one information that I use the Samsung Switch app, I think, to transfer the data from old phone to new phone. So this very great app. If you guys wanted to transfer your old data to the new phone, it will transfer everything, like a Google account and everything, other application data, like everything. I think it's even transfer my Wi-Fi also, so I don't need to install, like set up a Wi-Fi or anything. It's automatically working. So that's why it's a good app. I'm definitely suggesting that app to use if you have a Samsung phone, guys. I think it's work well with the Samsung phone, so you might need a Samsung phone. So hope you guys get an idea what I'm trying to say. I'm not aware of all the specification, but they have like a different version of it. It's the 23, 23 plus and 23 ultra, and this is a 23 plus. No, sorry, it's a 23 regular 23. So, and they give you some information regarding how you can insert a SIM and set up your phone. I don't know if they have a specification or not, but this is a very fast and responsive phone. All information, software information, let's see. It's running on the Android version 10, latest software update. I already updated one time, guys, after buying that. Okay, so that's all, guys. Everything perfect, working as I needed. I love the ecosystem of this Samsung and all. That's why I bought again the Samsung phone, because I used it in the past. So hope you guys get an idea what I'm trying to say. And if you do guys like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more video and content like this. And I might give you updated video in future if possible, because sometimes it's very hard to make a video. So and I'm also currently making a random video from my phone to just give you this information about this phone. Hope you guys like this. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe as usual. And if you really want to help me to grow this channel, then definitely subscribe to my channel for future content, guys. Hope you guys like this.